Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I am sharing with you all how to make the best fruit salad. First start off by chopping up 2 cups of strawberries. I just like to slice off the green top, then slice it in half, then into quarters. Once you're done preparing the strawberries, transfer them in a large bowl. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Next is 1 cup of green grapes, and oops, some of them are trying to roll away. For these, I just like to slice them in half. I love using green grapes. They give the salad great flavor and texture. Then I like to add in 2 bananas. Just slice those up and place in the bowl. Lastly, I like to add in 1 cup of blueberries and 1 cup of mandarin oranges. Then put that aside and it's time for the dressing. In a glass measuring cup, I have about 2 tablespoons of honey, and then add in lime juice from 1 lime. Mix that together. And then drizzle over. The bright flavors from the lime and that sweetness from the honey really pops this fruit salad. And then gently mix it all together and this salad is ready. You can leave the salad in the fridge in an airtight container for 3 to 5 days. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up. It's sorry, I have my husband back there doing this. But anyways, you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And thanks again for watching. Bye!
3, 2, 1, action!
If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!